We are going to get started with the 7th grade portion of our concert this evening. I am very excited. As you can already tell, they have been through so much. So without further ado, I'm going to do all the talking later. I'm going to let the students introduce and begin the concert this evening.
Good evening. Welcome to Swift Creek Middle School 7th grade band concert. My name is Pierre Baslin and I'll play bass clarinet. This evening you are going to hear a variety of different styles of music, everything from a march style to a dance style. We have enjoyed working on this music this year and are challenged in many ways. Just a reminder, please no flash photography, as the flash could mess me up while I am performing. Also, please silence your cell phones. Thank you for coming this evening and for all of your support.